Hi, and welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation. So it's going to be short but sweet, and it's going to help to get you in this frame of mind of being mindful and aware and in your body. So if you're feeling a little bit floaty or perhaps scattered, even any kind of negative emotions, and you really want to come back to being in your center, then this meditation is for you. So let's begin by sitting down or lying down if you prefer. I actually really like to lie down and listen to these meditations. So get super comfy and begin to allow your body to soften and relax. As you slowly close your eyes, relaxing your toes, feet, legs, knees, hips, stomach, chest, shoulders, fingers, neck, jaw and eyes are relaxed. There's nothing you have to do. Just listen to the sound of my voice, like you're listening to music, allowing the words to float through you as you become more relaxed. And then bring your awareness to your body, your blood and your bones, being in your skin, almost as if you're bringing in every part of you and just being totally present and aware in the center of your body. And then really notice the air just around your body. What temperature is it? Is there wind or is it still air? Notice where your clothes are touching your skin. How does the fabric feel? And then notice the areas that your body is touching the ground. Notice how supported you are. And then take your awareness to the smell around you. What can you smell? Where's it coming from? And then take your sensation to the inside of your mouth. What can you taste? And on your next inhale, follow your breath into the inner body. As you become still and really notice that inner light, your presence, your spark. With every breath, this light grows brighter and brighter. As you breathe deeply, it begins to spread throughout your whole body, shining, radiating with this beautiful shimmering light. And as you radiate outwards, you really feel this inner beingness, appreciating the beauty of who you really are. And knowing within just a few minutes, you can shift your awareness from the external to the internal world. So let's stay here for a moment. Just follow your breaths in and out, steady and smooth. And if you get lost in thought, it's okay. Just bring it back to the breath. We're only going to be here for a little bit of time. I'll let you know when it's time to come out, so just breathe. And keeping the eyes closed and the body still. As you inhale, bring this vibrant, energizing light into your body as you begin to feel a little more alive and awake. Breathing deeply now, you start to wiggle your fingers and allow your awareness to come back to the external, noticing the air around your face, the clothes on your skin, as you gently blink the eyes open. And today, maybe just a little assignment for you, is to see how aware and present you can be throughout your day. So you can set yourself little reminders, perhaps if you're stuck in traffic, or whenever you see a certain sign, or perhaps whenever you touch your phone, instead of getting lost in this world of distraction, you can bring it back to your presence, back to the now, back to being mindful of what's going on around you and inside of you. And when we're more present in life, it opens up the doors for magic to happen, really. And you'll notice the biggest shifts through being mindful and present. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for listening. Bye.